Welcome back to the Week 6 summary of the Silverhawk experiment. This week delivered a fascinating twist in the battle of man versus machine. While my Tesla bot was busy scalping volatility, it was actually my manual portfolio that took the lead this time. Despite the bleeding positions in Uber and Snap, my bet on silver paid off big, pushing the manual account ahead as precious metals surged. It's a classic reminder of why diversification matters. But this week isn't just about reporting data, it's about a massive strategic shift. You've seen the thumbnail, the Norwegian gem Equinor has officially entered the chat. Stick around until the end of the video because I'm going to explain exactly why I'm moving 50% of my manual portfolio into the North Sea, and how this fortress and satellite strategy changes the Silverhawk project forever. We have a lot to cover. Tesla LIFO Performance, the road to 1,000 shares of EQNR, and my long-term safety plan for subscribers. Let's dive straight into the accounts. Since January 30th, the bot has scalped over $1,200. That's a 35% annualized ROI, and that's without even counting the premium gains as the contract is still open. If we factored those in, the ROI could exceed 50%. But let's be realistic. 1 month is too short a time frame to be certain. To truly validate this system, we need to test it for at least a year, ideally several years, to see how it handles different market cycles from euphoria and consolidation to black swan events. My priority is your safety. Once I am 100% certain that the bot is robust and won't cause harm to your capital, I will release it to my subscribers for free. I want to be sure it's a tool that builds wealth, not risks it. Now, let's look at the manual account. This is the messy part of trading. Currently, my positions in Uber and Snap are underwater. I've been using options to lower my cost basis, but I made a classic mistake. I sold options with a strike price that was too low and an expiration that was too long. Now I'm facing a massive dilemma. Dilemma number 1. Buy back those options at a higher price, realize the loss immediately, and move on. Dilemma number 2. Wait for expiration. But that means my capital's frozen for 3 months. And in this game, time is money. To be honest, I'm counting on market fluctuations to drive the value of these options down, so I can buy them back at a 30 to 50% profit. Looking back, my earlier decisions were made manually, without any real strategy. I was simply chasing what felt like the biggest profit at the time. That's why I decided to build a tool to fix my process, a scanner that calculates the best annual ROI for both assigned and unassigned options. From now on, the days of trading blind are over. I'm not going to guess anymore. I'll be using my option scanner to pick the next trade, finding contracts with short DTE that offer the highest annualized ROI. It's time to stop chasing moves and start trading the data. Now, let's talk about the main event, Equinor. I am moving 50% of my manual portfolio, roughly $30,000, into this Norwegian powerhouse. This isn't just a trade, it's the cornerstone of my fortress strategy. Equinor is the national treasure of Norway, a symbol of long-term stability and a massive dividend engine. But we aren't just buying and holding. We are going to play this differently. While the Tesla bot focuses on LIFO scalping, the Equinor strategy is all about DCA harvesting. The goal is simple: accumulate 1,000 shares to build a serious quarterly dividend income. Here is the blueprint. The bot will be programmed to average down, constantly lowering our cost basis. Every time we hit a block of 100 shares, we will use them to write options, boosting our dividend yield even further. Because Equinor is closely correlated with oil prices, we expect volatility. When the price dips below our average, the bot buys. When it surges above our average, I will manually trim the position to free up capital for the next dip. We are using the market swings to force our entry price lower and lower. As of today, we have exactly one share. It's a long road to 1,000, but the battle for the North Sea has officially begun. I'll be sharing a deep dive into the technical setup in the next video. Let the battle begin.